We have to wait for all those issues because first the court order has to come, and only once the court order comes can you actually release Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. So you have answered your point to a great extent, but nevertheless, the Enforcement Directorate has immediately moved the Delhi High Court, and the court is asking for the file. Unless the file comes, the petition comes before them, they have to read it. They have to understand what is the case that they are citing, what are the reasons that they are citing, why have they rejected. Only then they will be able to take a call on this matter.
Right, Sunil, just for our viewers, I mean, initially he was granted bail for a short period of time in order to campaign for his party. Then he was made to come back, and of course he was asking for an extension on grounds of not being well. He wanted to go in for a PET scan, and he wanted to get some tests done, saying that he wasn't feeling well, and that was rejected. On what grounds has he been granted bail this time around?
Yesterday, the court had given the order. This was on the excise case. And it's on that basis because we have to wait for that order copy to give the reason for why it was given. And as the Enforcement Directorate themselves says that we haven't got the order copy. But it was a big relief for the Aam Aadmi Party that there was not, they were citing after the ESG and others had argued, they're saying that there is, no evidence really to show any linkage between Mr. Arvind Kejriwal and those who have been accused in the liquor scam. So it's in that context, we'll have to wait and see how things play out. But nevertheless, the fact is, as you rightly pointed out, the Supreme Court gave and released Mr. Arvind Kejriwal to allow him to campaign, which was a new precedent. And it was very categorically stated by the Supreme Court itself that we want, opposition leaders to be given a chance to participate in the democratic exercise. Justice Sanjeev Kapoor as well as Justice Dipankar Datta had ruled on that favor during that time. So it's in that context now that once again Mr. Arvind Kejriwal has got relief from the lower court, and the Enforcement Directorate is opposing it and wants the Delhi Chief Minister to continue to remain in jail in the excise scam.
Right, Sunil, stay with us. We also have Ishika joining us. Ishika, a pause as far as that bail for Arvind Kejriwal is concerned, with the ED putting up its case as well, saying that they haven't really gotten enough time, that they also want to make their arguments. So on those grounds, there's been a pause, which could basically also mean that, a delay as far as his release is concerned. It doesn't necessarily mean that, there could be a change in plan.
Well, yes, Divya, as you rightly mentioned, for now there is certainly a halt to the Arvind Kejriwal's bail order that was given by the Rouse Avenue Court yesterday. Yesterday, if we see, it was a big relief for Arvind Kejriwal after finally getting a regular bail from the Rouse Avenue Court. But today, with Enforcement Directorate going to the High Court, certainly that relief for Arvind Kejriwal can now be delayed. So we'll have to wait for the court to hear the matter, because court has, very clearly said that the matter will be heard once the file comes before the court. Until then, the bail order will not be in effect. So certainly the big relief for Arvind Kejriwal is delayed for the moment, and we are getting the reactions of the Aam Aadmi Party leaders as well. Saurabh Bhardwaj, in fact, has, responded to this, saying that when the order copy of yesterday's regular bail has not come, then what was this order that the ED went to the High Court to challenge? So certainly here Saurabh Bhardwaj also goes on to say that the BJP-led union government is not in fact taking law seriously. This is, these are in fact, the reactions that continue to come from the Aam Aadmi Party. We are now seeing that Sanjay Singh has also reacted over this, that why go to the High Court when the bail order has not even come yet. So certainly, yesterday was a big relief. Aam Aadmi Party saying that it was a big win for them. Preparations were made for Arvind Kejriwal today to walk out of Tihar jail. His wife Sunita Kejriwal and along with the senior party leaders, they were all ready to go to Tihar jail at around 4, and they were expecting that Arvind Kejriwal will be walking freely out of Tihar jail at around late evening. But certainly with this, with ED going to the High Court and the matter being halted, the bail order now being halted for for some time, it is certainly the relief that we were talking about now has been delayed. Over to you.